Okay, so it's part 4 of the boot build and air ride setup, and in the last video we got the hard lines made up, and what we did, we learnt that bending hard lines is a lot harder than what it looks, but they're all on there now, they're all done, and now it's time to get that box in the car and test fit everything, and then maybe start looking at wiring it all in, getting some pressure in the tank and testing out that there's no air leaks and things like that, and then moving on to the audio. I've drilled 2 holes here so the air lines can come through into the hard lines, and then I've cable tied these, and that's out of the way. So we've got a bit of airline management going on, so we'll get that box in now. Okay, so that's in its place now, and now all I've got to do is finish putting the airlines to it and then wire it all in. Okay, so that's all the airlines connected now, so what we'll do, we'll put the wiring in and work out how the relay works again, because it's not labelled very well, and then we will put some power to it and see if it holds some air. Okay, so it's all wired up now, earthed and everything like that. It is a mess at the moment, but we just need to see if it's going to start and start holding air and things like that. Right, we'll start the car now, see if we get any noise. If not, we'll go and investigate. Okay, that's an issue. The compressor's not on. So I need to investigate why that is. As you can hear, the compressor's on. It was just a ground issue with the connection, but that is it, all in. And what we'll do now, we'll get in the car, see if it holds some pressure. Right, we are building pressure, 47 psi. We'll check back with this in a minute. Alright, so it's all holding its pressure now and all seems to be working alright. I've sorted the ground issue out, and the compressors are switching off, but I've emptied the tank, started it all again, so that's why they're still on now. So now we'll put all the full 4 in and see how it looks. And there it is, all back together. It looks quite nice. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Yeah, I won't try and hide anything. The symmetry is a little bit off. I've done my best with what I can do, and once these are all wrapped up in the material, I think it'll look a lot better. I can maybe build a box here that comes up and molds to the shape of this, and have the amp in the middle, 2 speakers facing this way, but you have to let me know in the comments what you think is the best idea. Okay, so don't forget, comment down below what you think we should do with that back panel with regarding audio and things like that, and I'll see you next time.